Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and orientation. First, make sure the AirPods Max have some charge and are on. Next, hold them so the hinge markers align with the ear cups and place the cups over your ears, right cup to right ear, then drop the headband onto the crown. Once done, allow the cups to settle. You should feel a gentle but complete seal. Make sure not to pull the band too tight. A natural fit prevents pressure hotspots and keeps soundstage balance. You now fine-tune fit and acoustic seal. Slide each telescoping arm until both cups sit centered over your ear canals. Symmetry matters for imaging. Tilt a cup forward or back to eliminate gaps and to reduce pressure points. Once positioned, use the digital crown for volume and the noise control button to toggle active noise cancellation versus transparency mode. Listen for consistent bass and clear mids. If one side sounds muted, reseat that cup and recheck alignment. Small shifts change what you hear significantly. You wrap up by validating performance and addressing common issues. Play a familiar song that spans bass to treble and scan for balance, hiss, or dropouts. Make minor headband shifts until spatial cues feel centered. If sound is overly bright or bass-heavy, adjust your source EQ and lower max volume to protect hearing. Finally, if pairing, battery, or ANC behaves oddly, reset by pressing the noise control and digital crown together for about 15 seconds, then repair. That reset fixes most stubborn connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.